This activity is mainly to build speed and accuracy in finding solution to these addition and subtraction problems. Addition is a joining action where parts are put together or added to find the total. And the unknown can be anywhere. Here in this case, the total is missing. Here a part, and here also a part is missing when total is given. And same way, subtraction is an action of separating, or the one part is taken out of the total to find the other part. And subtraction also has three kinds of problems where this total is given, one part is missing. Here total is missing, parts are given, and here the other part is missing, or the difference is missing. Students work on these. Students use strip diagram and find solutions or find the missing number to build their speed and accuracy. Here this is 12 minus 5. That means 5, 10, and 12. So a total of 12, and I separate 5 out of that, and the rest is 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Oops, these are my subtractions. This list is for subtraction sentences. So I'll go place this one. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now this one is 4 plus 8. So part and part are given. One is 4 and the other one is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. I'll go place it here. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now the next one is 12 minus 8 is what? So total again 5, 10, 12 minus 8. 8 is one part and the other part is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Something minus 8 is 4. So this is a part, this is a part, and according to this, part plus part is total. So I'm finding the total. So we have a part here and the other part. When put together, this is 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 plus something is 6. So I always start with the total. When I have total, we always start with total. So 5 and 6 is the total. One of them is 2 and the other one is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Here again total is 7 and 6 is one part and the other part is, oh no, I'm sorry, this is a minus, so this is a part and part. 6 is one part and 7 is the other part. 6 and 7 together make 13 minus 6 is 7. Students work on this activity independently following these directions. Answers provide immediate feedback.